Are you a doctor? Are you an optometrist or optometry? I don't know. Are you a dentist? Are you a caregiver? Are you a nurse? Are you a radiographer? Are you a physiotherapist? Are you orthodontist or podiatrist? Oh my God, don't mind my pronunciation. These things. So, if you are a health professional worker and you want a country that is visa free for you as a Nigerian, Ghanaian, or Zimbabwe, Zambia, Cameroon, Congo, and you want access to European Union quickly, stay right with me and I will give you something that will help you in the comment section. See you.